Here we have an almost new, well, it's 22 registered, but it's 72 plate, 3,000 miles, freshly converted, 6-seater luxury people carrier. It's got all the big massive TV screen, Apple Play and all the bits in there, reclining seats, champagne tables. I'll show you all that in a second, if you can bear with me. I'm just walking around, just trying to show you the condition of the body. As you'd expect for an almost new vehicle, it is absolutely immaculate. Show you down the side so you can see. Twin electric doors. I'll come to all the bits and bobs in here in a minute. This TV can go down and do that from in here. While that's going down, I can show you around here. That's your phone chargers, which are in the back as well. I'll go through all this shortly. That's the one for that. I've just switched it off, didn't mean to do that. Once you've got the right connectivity, you can have all this running. Come up with the Apple TV in a moment. Show you this side. That reclines, and the other one goes back. You can actually do the headrest as well. The only thing, you've got the heated seats, the ventilated seats are there. Phone chargers are in there and there. On here that you can operate. We'll go on here now. Let's have a look. Right, so I can open up that one, show that one opening. All worked off this little iPad. Same with this side. Nice sound system in here. Right, so I'll close this one back up, this side, so we can access in and out. Then on here we can go to the lights, which I'll put that down here so I can show you. Trying to do it one-handed isn't the best. If you see the lights, we go yellow, purple, blue, white, green and red. So that will change it, all the lights all around there as well. You can also switch off the ceiling lights. You can operate the doors and everything from here. And what you can also do That's the lights for the roof. Switch on and off. There you go. Right, these drawers here, we can open up that one. And we can also open up the champagne one. We'll close those up now. As I say, it's a fresh conversion, so everything is immaculate. It's not been taxied or nothing, because say the car's only done 3,000 miles. These curtains obviously can pull back and have the privacy glass if you prefer. Right, let's close that. Go to close this side. While that's doing that, we'll walk around the other side. Nice inside here. – 3,934 miles. That's all this vehicle's done. Charger. That's your fridge. All your usual refinements there. I'll recline this side. If you pull the top one, it just does that. Okay, and then you can push the back to recline. In here you have your compartment, get your iPad and different things in there. The lead, the charge lead and everything else. Another phone charger there, wireless. Built to a very high quality. Everything's been finished off exceptionally well. I'll show you the back. It's got reverse camera as well. Obviously the seats are reclined back, which you can put forward, and the seats can go electronically. The whole thing can go forward on that rail there. So we've just got the jack thrown in here for the time being. Okay, thank you for looking.